To work with a green screen clip, you'll need to have something where you have green screen, whether it's a project like this or if you record yourself in front of a green screen. And then you place the video onto a higher track. You don't want it on the bottom video track. You want it on one of the upper ones, because what's going to happen is we're going to take the green and make it invisible so that what will appear there is whatever is underneath the green clip. So from here, what we're going to need to do is double click on the green screen clip and go into the keying option. Keying is the term that's used for removing a particular color from the video. You'll use this little eyedropper tool and then just click on the green. And from there, it will hide that green, basically delete that green and show whatever is underneath it. You may need to make adjustments to the sensitivity or defringe. Feel free to move those sliders around until it gets the effect that you're looking for. You can also preview it to see what it's going to look like, and when you're happy with it, hit Save Changes. So it will show whatever is underneath that clip on whatever that green was supposed to be.